Hey you, yeah you, hit that bell. We're going to be at Cleetus and Cars tomorrow in Indy. We're going to be doing live streams. You don't want to miss them. You want to get the updates, all right? If you guys are out there, come check us out. We got some new stickers in. We'll go ahead and give you a sticker. Just show us that you subscribe to the channel, you get a sticker until we run out. So sooner the better. Come check us out. We'll be meeting up there with Michael Narks from LSx Customs. Link him in the description, and pretty much spending most of the day there with him, so check his channel out too. You'll catch us on there as well. From what they're saying, this is going to be the biggest Cleetus and Cars to date, completely sold out. So if you're still waiting to get tickets, you're tough out of luck on that one. We will be there. We will be live streaming. We will be recording. So once it's all done, hopefully we have a really good video for you guys. So be sure to keep up with the channel. So from what I've been seeing, the lineup should be really, really good. We see that Boosted Boys are going to be there. Derek from Vice Grip Garage is going to be there. There's a whole host of YouTubers that are going to be there for this event. It's going to be huge. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get the notifications when we go live. So we're leaving tomorrow about 5 a.m. It's about a 4.5 hour drive from where we're at currently. So we should be getting there before 10 a.m. when the gates open. And we do have a pit pass, so we will be parking right in the pits, and we will get a lot of good videos for you guys. So hit that bell. You want to get these notifications. Check us out.